Eric Muaded, Muaded.com, February 18th, 2016. Right now we are looking at gold, which is up about 22 points or 1.83%, trading at 1233. And let's take a look at the charts here, because I think around here there's some evidence that it would not be a surprise if it stalls. In fact, let's take a look at the GLD, which is having a nice move, 2% for the day. And gold has had a nice run since the lows here in late December or mid-December, from about 100 all the way to the highs here of 120. So that's a 20% gain. But if you take a look at what's going on at the hourly chart, you can see here that I think somewhere around here this could be stall point. And in fact, you can see this clearly if you take a look at the 30-minute chart for the GLD. So right now with the GLD at the highs of the day, we are coming back to test the recent break level. As you can see, there was a recent break here, and that break brought the market off the level there, and now we are coming back to test that level. So we draw a line from there, so we can see the market is coming back to test that level. And if this is confirmed as resistance, somewhere around here there could be a stall point. Keep in mind that we are trading here with that line being at about 61.8. So around here, if we see a reversal, that could suggest that this is where gold starts pulling back, probably for the short term, to test some of the recent lows along the way that it was recording. So I would start suspecting around here we might start seeing a pullback in the gold. If we take a look at GDX short term, if you take a look at a 30-minute chart, you see there are two lines. The first line is the one connecting the highs on the 30-minute chart for the GDX. Keep in mind here I'm using RSI setting of 26. So we see that right now we are coming back to test that line here. If this is confirmed as resistance, that might be a problem also for the GDX. And it also happens to be around where it broke recently. So let me show that. You can see there was a recent break somewhere around there, and we can draw a line like that. You can see that we are coming back to test this level. Right now this also happens to be at about 61.8. If we see resistance here on an hourly chart or a 30-minute chart, any resistance here would suggest around here maybe the next swing trade is probably down. That would be my thinking for now. And also we can test that same line. So if we go backwards and test this line, we can see that it makes a lot of sense, because here we have uniform activity above the blue line, back below it, which was a trap for the highs there before the pullback in December. And then again we go back here, there was a high there early December, which was here, which led to another short-term pullback. So around here, to be consistent, this would make sense that around here, if you're looking for a trade in the gold sector, more than likely these charts are saying for now that the next swing trade is actually for downside action. Eric Muaded, Muaded.com. As always, I'll keep you guys posted. Good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.